Netflix can only be added to Experian Boost if it appears as a recurring streaming subscription in your bank transactions and is clearly identifiable as an eligible payment. By the end, you'll know whether Netflix actually qualifies for Experian Boost, how to check if yours is being counted, and what to do if it doesn't show up. Start with the key reality. Netflix is not guaranteed to be included in Experian Boost for every user. Even though it is a streaming service, Experian only adds payments it can clearly verify from your linked bank account. Now, explain how Experian Boost evaluates it. Experian Boost scans your bank transactions for recurring subscription payments. It looks for consistent monthly charges that match known streaming services. If Netflix appears as a clear, repeating charge, it may be considered for Boost. Now explain why it often doesn't work. Many Netflix payments are bundled or processed through third-party billing systems. For example, if your Netflix is billed through a mobile carrier, cable provider, or app store, it may not be recognized as a direct streaming subscription. If the transaction label is unclear, Experian may ignore it completely. Now explain the bank connection requirement. Experian Boost can only evaluate Netflix if your bank account is properly linked and the transaction history is accessible. If your account is disconnected, incomplete, or missing transaction data, nothing will be added. Now explain what users usually expect. Many people assume all streaming services automatically improve their credit score through Experian Boost. That is not how it works. Only clearly identifiable and verified payments are considered eligible. Now explain how to check it. Inside the Experian Boost dashboard, you can review which payments were detected. If Netflix is included, it will appear as part of your eligible streaming subscriptions. If it does not appear, it means Experian could not verify it from your transaction data. Now explain what to do if it's missing. First, check how Netflix is being billed in your bank account. Look for a clear monthly transaction labeled directly as Netflix. If it is bundled or unclear, there is nothing you can do inside Experian Boost to force it to appear. Now, summarize the key points. Netflix is not automatically guaranteed to be included in Experian Boost. It only qualifies if it appears as a clear recurring bank transaction. And many users miss out because their billing method hides or bundles the payment. One practical next step, i.e., open your bank statement and search for your Netflix charges, because the way it appears there determines whether Experian can ever detect it. If this helped, like the video, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of credit tools and what actually affects your score.